Hey, this is Vito from Jersey. How you doing? Well, I tell you the truth, I haven't made a video since Christmas. The last Christmas video when I was down by the water on the dock there. Um, Somebody just tried to come in. This woman who comes in always asking me for money. Always asking me for money. Vito, can I have $1? Vito, could you lend me $5? These people that come in the shop, they're what I call social parasites. They don't work, you know. And usually I give them something, you know what I mean? That's why, you know. I'm hungry. Could you give me a sandwich? I had this one woman come in. This black girl. Now listen to this. I've been in this shop here for 10 years. Before that, I was in Hoboken, okay? Now, when I had the shop, if you look at my other videos, there's a shop in Hoboken. When I had the shop in Hoboken, this woman comes in, this black woman comes in, crying, tears rolling down her face. Oh, and she shows me this picture of this kid in a coffin. My son died, and I have to bury him, and the tears are coming down her face. And I'm asking everybody for $10. I need to make $1,200 in order to bury him. They won't bury him. I need to bury my son, and she's crying. I mean, real tears rolling down her face, you know. And she's showing me this picture of this kid, and she said, I'm just asking everybody for $10, and I can bury my son. And she's crying. I said, all right. I gave her $10. Now, this is 10 years later, right? 10 years later. The other day, this same woman walks into this shop here. Now, that shop was in Hoboken. This is Karlstad. She walks in the shop. Same bullshit. Crying. Rolling. I mean, tears coming out of... shows me the same picture. I said, you showed me that same picture 10 years ago. No, my son just died. I mean, she wouldn't back off. I said, you know, you should have been an actress. Honestly, this woman should have been an actress. Should have been an actress. Because to whip up tears like that, let me see if I can do it. I can't get any tears. I don't know how the heck she was doing it, but this is an art. I mean, and she's going around, she's telling everybody. So I called up the deli and the bar next door. I said, there's a woman coming around with a picture. Don't give her 5 cents. She's a scam artist. This black woman will come in crying. You know, okay, so so anyway, this other one just came. That's why I went like this. I said, no, don't come in. She's going to, because I'm doing the video. I don't want to come in and, hi, Vito, could you buy me a sandwich? No, I can't. Leave me alone. And they get money. They get checks from the government. They get government checks. They get government checks, and they're still asking you for money. Who's this one now? Let me see. Hello?
Busy? I can send my husband in here now?
Yeah, she can come in.
Vito?
Yes.
Don't mind the way I look. The only thing is he had a filling, so he's just a little swollen on one side.
That's all right.
But just to shave me.
Yeah.
All right, I'm
Okay.
All right?
All right.
We just had a Bible study. I don't know how good it's doing. Huh?
Bring him in. I'm here. Somebody wants to do a haircut. All right. Well, listen. That's the story for today. I was going to tell you the Crazy Vito story, why they call me Crazy Vito. I have no idea why. But I want to show you also my new book out, Rise and Fall of the Sewer King. Lulu Press. Pick it up. It's the new one. The other one, my older one, if you read it or not, Sins of the Fathers. This is my novel, 500-page novel. This is the newest one, Rise and Fall of the Sewer King. Everybody's telling me they love it. So pick it up, Lulu Press. Just type in Vito Quattrocchi. Vito Quattrocchi. Vito Quattrocchi. Rise and Fall of the Sewer King. Pick it up. It's a good book, I promise you. And let me know how you like it. I really appreciate it. You know what I'm going to do? Maybe I'll even start reading a little bit every day. But this lady right now, she's going to bring her husband in for a shave. So I'll do another video. I got to tell you why they call me Crazy Vito. It's a funny story, but you think I'm crazy? A little bit, right? I told you, I asked my son-in-law. I said, they call me Crazy Vito. I said, am I crazy? He said, yeah, a little bit. I guess so. All right. Ciao. See you later. I'll do another one pretty quick. Ciao.